The temporary office, check the welfare call. We're getting hit with a laser. I don't know if any units in the beach are en route to check here. So it's going to be pretty much where Lifeguard Headquarters are. We'll call like 1500 Quivera Way if you guys are able to assist us. Okay, well, the laser is coming from a vehicle. I'm not sure. I'm trying to determine which occupant of the vehicle has been hitting us with a green laser here, but we'll maintain eyes on this vehicle and direct units into it. And actually, it looks like it might be moving here.
It looks like we have 2 Western units that'll be on the way here shortly. Do you have an update on where this vehicle's at?
Well, it's a silver sedan. I was able to get that. And it looks like we're set up to go eastbound on West Mission Bay for Quivera Road. Coming up to Kemper now. Took the right turn into the Vaughn's parking lot.
We're detaining the subject. The vehicle's clear with just the driver here.
Simple on that. He should have a green laser somewhere in his possession. Since it's only him in the vehicle, we didn't see anyone else get out of the vehicle, and it's definitely going to be him. He's arrestable for a felony. Call up in Northern. We'll get you the tape number when we land for that, but I appreciate the help, guys.
No precision.
No more, thank you.
All around.
Table number, thank you.
They're pretty serious.
It's just a light. What I'm saying is
a light that's
but
caused
you're still
helicopters
filming where
crash.
he works, brother. This is where he works. His place of income.
He shouldn't have driven.
If that's what he did, you're proven innocent until proven guilty. You're not.
That's true. And I don't. This doesn't convict anybody.
Okay, so but why are you filming him though?
Because he's the suspect in a crime.
Why is because he's in public. He has a right to be there.
Which side of the vehicle the laser is coming from?
Possibly the left side as you're looking at its bumper, its rear bumper. Anyway, just for the Western units, we have it all on tape. We had a green laser shined at us multiple times by somebody in this vehicle, so it's definitely good for a stop.
And media is 97.
Media 97, 6